So I have another construction update for you guys today. This time we're revisiting 95th Street, Chicago State University on the Metra Electric main line. This station closed in March for a 2-year renovation project, and at the time of making this video, it's been almost 6 months since it closed. Right now, the old station building is completely gone. It looks like everything was demolished. However, it doesn't appear that any actual construction has begun. But now that all the old stuff is gone, they should be able to start building soon. Metra has their characteristic "Pardon Our Dust" signs on the fences, which say that the rebuilt station will reopen in 2027. Since there's still so much to do, there isn't much more for me to say. I certainly am excited to see more progress in the coming months though. Are you excited too? Let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.